Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the cellular plan and account are active because network blocks look like phone problems. Once done, toggle airplane mode on for 5 seconds then off to quickly reset the radio. This often restores registration. Make sure cellular data is enabled in Settings Cellular. If you haven't restarted the device yet, do it now. Restarting clears transient software faults and reloads carrier settings, which can resolve many data errors before deeper troubleshooting. Next, inspect system and carrier links because mismatched settings frequently block mobile data. Open Settings General About and accept any carrier settings update that appears. Those changes tune the phone to your carrier. If data still fails, reset network settings to clear bad APN, VPN, or proxy entries. This removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you can reconnect. Then confirm APN and LTE or 5G settings. Exactly match the carrier's instructions to ensure proper To finish, verify whether the issue is SIM or phone by testing your SIM in another unlocked device. If data works there, the phone needs service. Update iOS and reinstall any carrier profile to fix software-level bugs. If the problem persists, back up and try a factory restore as a last software step. If none of these resolve it, contact your carrier with exact diagnostics, error messages, recent changes, and tests you ran, so they can escalate provisioning or network-side fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.